Tell you, guy did those brakes. Must have been really good. Perfect. Pleased with that. Pleased with that. So, wee Renault Meganne. Customer says it feels a bit sketchy out in the road. You can see the play in the ball joints there. So these ball joints, see them wobbling back and forward. So, we'll change these suspension arms. Some of this one, I believe. Yeah, tyre's been turned into that. Let's see if we can see this a bit better. So, let's see. So, you see that? See this ball joint? This ball joint all moving about. So excessive play in there. Obviously the wheels going over the pumps and stuff, it'll be skipping, it'll be lost in alignment on there just due to the amount of play in there, so we'll get these changed. Right, round 2, turbo time. Come on, you bugger. That loop, that Fortron WD Ultra loop, always good stuff. That's always better than loop. So, so let's not get dugger. Seal, alloy. Renault. There we go, so that's the difficult one. You see it's again all cludded up, all corrosion. See it? So we'll get a good old same with this bad boy, we'll give it to like a clean, get the crap out of him. So that's the back nut in. I always start with the back then. Flex it enough to get the front in. Start at the front and hit the hood as you'll not get that bolt lined up. Not the easiest suspension arms using the world to do. Right, so the GoPro ran it. So, got the two nuts in, got the ball joint in, almost, right. And just check when you're doing these, because you've not really removed the drive shaft. I've not taken it out, I've not moved it to its running position, so just check when you've got these. That everything's turning freely, and there's no issues there, which there isn't thankfully. It can be a bit of pain if those roller bearings come out the drive shaft, it can be a real world of pain. Thankfully they're all good, so. So take you down and show what I mean, sorry. So you've got a bolt which obviously you can see in line with the drive shaft. It's got to go up the way as well. This one was the right height as well, and you can see we get the ball joint back in there. So, and you can see the Delphi technology ones which we got from Dingbro. So they're OE equivalent, I did check. So you can get cheaper ones, but they're not the equivalent to what went on the vehicle from manufacturer. So we'll stick with the OE equivalent part, and then that way we know it should last. So, and that ball joint, same. You can hear it. Actually, get me busting there as well, I think. Yep. That was it. So, there you go. So, right, really we just need to tighten up this nut now. And then hopefully that's all she wrote on this one. I did notice it's missing the caliper spring on the other side. The brake pads, they're a bit the same, they're about halfway. So possibly it's next to MOT or so, it's something like brakes done. That is okay. We really should have the spring on it, but it should be okay, to be honest. Again, when you're doing these, make sure your little heat shield there for your disc, which is protecting the ball joint boot, so it's protecting that rubber for the heat off the disc. So that can often get fouled and mashed into the disc. So then you drive down it and you get a horrible scraping noise. And it's back in the ramp, just for that wee bit. So just check it before you put the wheels on. You should be okay. So see there, we've got the old suspension arm. This is the ball joint that was knackered. That one there. Actually hear it. So, and the bush is all split. So the bush is starting to separate off its collar. So you got a bolt in here which faces down the way. Big nut, bolt up there. That one's a wee bit tricky because the drive shaft, you can still get it, so it's not a complete world of pain, you can get it, it's just a bit of jiggery poke of it and you'll get that out of there.